What do you think?
This is so much fun. Today is October 31st and
Happy Halloween.
Well, yeah, that is true. But then on November 2nd is Day of the Dead in Mexico, and so they're doing a Día de los Muertos, Day of the Dead parade today. We are on our way to go find a spot at the parade so we can see all of the beautiful foods.
Ready to eat?
Oh yeah, we gotta also go find some food.
My tummy's empty. I need energy. A lot of people heading to the parade. It is busy, but I think it's gonna be a blast.
We made it to the parade. Hasn't started yet where we're at, so we're gonna go try and find some food and wait for it. Here are our new friends. We just met them. So we are in Chapultepec Park. It's kind of towards the end of the parade, so the parade is going to come through here at the very end. Parade started at noon. We're at the end of it, so we probably won't get to us till about 1:30. I think it's about 1 now. So we're sitting pretty good on time. We're going to go find some food. And people are starting to line up, but I think we're going to have a really good spot in the parade because it's not too crowded over here. And we're starting to see a lot of people with a lot of yummy food, so we're excited. We've been seeing everyone walking around these like big flat tostada things, and so we gotta try one. They're called tlayudas or tlayudas.
Looks good. I don't know how to eat it. Coming.
We're gonna get our faces painted. All right, Pat, what do you think?
I look way handsomer like this. That was awesome.
So we got our faces painted. We are all ready for the day, and now it's time to go watch the parade. Fun fact, this parade actually originated in 2015 in one of the James Bond movies. There was a Dia de Muertos parade. They used to have a different parade, and now they don't do that anymore. They adopted this parade in 2015, and so now this is the main parade that they do.
Thank you, James Bond. Instead of candy like they throw out in the US, they should throw out El Pastor tacos. That'd be cool.
different than anything I've ever been to.
This is the biggest parade I've ever been to. You could combine all of Montana parades from the last 20 years and it would not come close to this. That was the craziest parade I've ever seen. You could probably combine every parade I've seen in the last 29 years. I don't think it would have been as long as that one. Or
just
exciting.
Like exciting and chanting and cool and
colorful.
Yeah.
And I don't know, that was so worth it. Highly recommend coming down for the parade on Day of the Dead.
Anything else you want to say about the parade? And all he says was, where does everybody go to the bathroom at? So that is something we haven't figured out yet, is where people use the restrooms at. So yeah.
People think we're famous or we're not.
Yeah, it's weird. Alright, so we're in Chapultepec Park?
Bathroom is broken over there. You gotta pay 5 pesos and it's like a swinging gate to get in, but the gate's broken and there's people locked inside of the bathroom right now. So I went and peed in front of a bunch of people behind a dumpster, just like a bunch of other people did. But there's like a lady stuck in there and everybody's having kind of a cluster right now. So I don't know what's gonna happen. They might have to climb over or figure something out.
Only in Mexico.
Ay caramba.
So we're sitting down and we're gonna grab a menu and grab a bite to eat. The largest menu. It's a menu of like 6 different restaurants, all combined into this seating area. How's your food?
It's very good. It's spicy. It's very good.
Delicious, cheap meal. 10 out of 10 would recommend getting your face painted during Día de Muertos in Mexico City. 10 out of 10 would not recommend eating with your face painting on. Get all of these white little flecks all over your clothes. Looks like they got the bathroom fixed. There's a line forming again. The parade has been done for like over 2 hours now, I would say, and there are still just people everywhere along these streets.
I'm tired.
Me too. I kind of feel like the Joker. Like if I...
You are a joke. Well, looks like it's about to rain, and according to all the vendors, they're hurrying to get packed up before it does, so we're gonna head to the metro, get back to our apartment before we get rained on.
Yeah, because I am not looking forward to taking all of this off. Definitely not looking forward to having the rain take it off. I think a washcloth and a hot shower sounds a lot nicer than the rain in the middle of the streets in Mexico City. On that note, we are hurrying to the metro and we're calling it a day.